so where are we?
So we are at the Loews Royal Pacific Resort, and we're super excited because we actually got access to a kids suite.
So let's go inside.
Yes.
Check it out.
Let's see what this is like. Okay.
All right, that's cool. Looks nice.
It looks nice. It's actually pretty elegant. I love the look of it. It looks like it's got a
high ceilings.
Really high, beautiful panoramic kind of window over here.
Nice. Look at this. Cool lamps.
King bed.
Yep.
Pull-out sofa. Over here we've got a desk area. Looks like we've got storage.
Dresser.
Oh look, your coffee and your mini fridge are down
fridge.
here. Let's see.
There we go. Nice. Cool.
Nice little mini fridge. Shall we show the bathroom?
Yeah, so the bathroom. What is that
Back
over there?
here.
Well, okay, we'll look at that sign in a second. So nicely well-equipped bathroom. Let's get this here. Nice fixtures. A couple of shower heads in here with a bench. Some upgraded amenities. Looks nice. Now they call this a kid suite for a reason, right?
Right.
So
we're gonna find out because I noticed something to the side.
yeah, there's this.
So it looks like it's a connecting room, but I'm not sure what this means.
Yeah, I mean, it says do not feed the dinos human food. Well, let's enter at our own risk, I guess.
Yes. Oh my gosh! Look at this.
Is this every kid's dream, or I mean, I guess it wouldn't be a nightmare because dinos are pretty cool, right?
Dinosaurs are awesome, and who wouldn't want to be in this room? Look at this wallpaper.
Oh my goodness.
And you're in the beds, like you're really immersed in Jurassic World.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, check this out. That's really cool.
Oh look, even the floor, it's like a map.
Oh yeah, the little
Oh, with like footprints.
right over here. Look at that.
Yeah,
And
they
a
even
whole
have their
map.
own little workspace.
That's really cool.
Let's see here.
Nice full-size closet.
Nice closet. Look at that. So the kids get their own closet.
Kids get their own closet, separate.
Yep.
Yeah, this is a really cool suite. There's only 8 of them available. Gotta book it quickly.
Book it quickly because they're gonna go. But how fun would it be? I mean, adults would want to stay in here. Why
I
not?
want to stay in here tonight.
Right?
I mean, can I chill and watch? I mean,
Even I love the detail of the curtains. Like, look up there. Like, that's pretty neat.
it's so cool. Yeah, so only a limited amount of these available. We're lucky to have actually been in here today.
Correct.
To check everything out. I mean, look, Creation Lab.
We've got this one, gyrospheres.
Yeah, that's
So you can
really
experience the dinosaurs up close. That's kind of what the beds are. I mean, it's really neat because you also have this room where the kids can hang out, be in their own space. They've got their own TV. They've got their own storage down here. And then mom and dad can be in the elegant room next door.
Yeah.
And you've got a regular door separating you, so noise shouldn't be too much of a problem, but you get to have that family contact still.
cool. Yeah, absolutely.
Everyone would be pretty lucky to stay in here.
Absolutely.
But book it when you see it. I think you can put a hold on it for 24 hours.
Yeah. you see it in
But
box.
if somebody wants it, you got to grab it because there's only 8. Hopefully you all enjoyed this tour of the Jurassic World Kids Suite at Loews Royal Pacific Resort.